In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Word Japanese to English. If Microsoft Word is currently displaying its menus, buttons, and settings in Japanese, you can change the display language to English through Word's language settings. This can make the interface much easier to navigate if you prefer using Word in English. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look at the menu and ribbon across the top of the window. To access the language settings, click the File tab. This will open Word's Backstage view, where you can manage documents and access various program settings. Next, look for the Options section and click it. This opens the Word Options window, where you can customize different parts of Microsoft Word. In the Word Options window, look for the language settings. Depending on your version of Word, you may find this under a section related to language or language preferences. Once you open the language settings, you'll see options for the languages used by Microsoft Word. These settings can control the language used for the Office interface, as well as the language used when creating and editing documents. Look for the option that controls the Office display language. If English is already listed, select English from the available languages and set it as the preferred display language. If English isn't currently available, you'll need to add it through the language settings. Select the option to add a language, choose English from the available choices, and follow the prompts shown by Microsoft Word. After selecting English as your preferred display language, confirm the change. Depending on your version of Microsoft Word, you may need to close and reopen Word before the new interface language takes effect. Once Word restarts, check the ribbon, menus, buttons, and other interface elements. They should now appear in English instead of Japanese. Keep in mind that changing the display language doesn't necessarily change the language of the text inside your document. The interface language and the document's proofing language are separate settings. So, if your goal is also to check spelling and grammar in English, you may need to adjust the editing or proofing language separately. The exact wording and location of some language options can vary slightly depending on your Microsoft Word version and operating system, but the general process is the same. Open Word Options, find the language settings, select English as the display language, and restart Word if required. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,